Hi guys, again welcome back to another part of Android tutorial. In the previous part we are just discussing about how to use a list view in an Android application. So in this part again I am explaining something with the list view. So in the previous part we already see how to use the list view, how to display the data from a string in a list view. So in this part, instead of using these string values, that means here in the previous part we already using some values directly from the string. So instead of using this type of value, we have to set value for the list view on the string.xml file. So here I just need the string only. I just command it. I just declare the string array. Here I am not initializing the string array, I just declare that string array. Now go to the resource folder. Now go to the resource folder. In that resource folder there is another folder called values, and open up the string.xml file. Here I am going to add the values as string resources. So here I am going to declare a string array with name. I give it as name array. Now I have to add the items in that array. I give some names here. I add some more names here. Okay, I just add some names on the string.xml file in a string array. I have to close the string array here. Okay, now go to the main activity.java file. Here I just declare an array. There is no initialization for the array. So here I am going to get the value from the string.xml to that array. So here I am going to connecting that array to the values that is given on the string array, that means in the string.xml file, to the array declare on the main activity. So here the array name is names. So names is equal to, there is a method called get resource dot get string array dot array dot, here the array name is name array. I save the project. Now this is the time to run the project. Before that I again explain it. First of all, in the previous part we directly declare the array in the main activity itself. Now here, instead of using the array value on the array value directly on the main activity, I just declare an string array in the string.xml file and specify some values there, and in the main activity of .java file I just initialize the array using the method called get resources get string array. Here r dot array dot the name of the array that is given on the string.xml file. Okay, now this is the time to check the project. I run the project. Okay, you can see that project is successfully launched and the names that given in the string.xml file is appear on the list view. Guys, this is how we using values from the string.xml file directly into the list view. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting further video updates. See you in the next part of this tutorial.